Imotoka ezitoye abantu banabamba. The people of Busoga are saying it's now or never. The people of Busoga are also sending a message, and we shall be in Busoga this entire day in different districts. That's Mayuge, Iganga, and Bujiri, where we're going to have rallies, and the National Unity Platform flag bearer, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, and other flag bearers like Rita are going to be addressing and tell these people that they are the true change. Oh, look at this Jaja. Oh. Kyagulanyi is getting blessings from very many people. Oh my God. Can you imagine? All the old, the young, the adults, the male, the female, all of them are saying, it's now or never. And Kyagulanyi is leading us through this. He will lead them through this. Yes, we thank those that are not in the regime, that are not part of this trail, but wherever you are, you're trying to support us. You're sending us every support that we might need. Our brother Machete is also part of the team that is ensuring the president is safe, under the guidance of Eddie Mutwe, under the guidance of Aklaw Chibumbi, under the guidance of all these other young men and women who are determined to keep the president of the National Unity Platform and the next president of Uganda safe from all attacks. They carried him away yesterday from this vehicle when it was tear gas, and they took him into another vehicle. We thank these young men. They are brave. They brave the tear gas. They brave everything to see that their president is safe, to see that their candidates are safe, to see that the National Unity Platform goes on and on to cause change in this country. Ah! Sorry! Mano, batomeda omusajja. Ono omusajja atomedde omuntu. Ono omusajja atomedde omuntu. Atomedde omuntu. This guy has knocked someone. You see, atomedde n'abalala. Atomedde n'abalala. Atomedde n'abalala. They are now shooting at us.
You're shooting.
They have knocked people and they're now shooting at us. They have knocked people and they're now shooting at us. He's now pointing the gun right in the people's eyes. He's now shooting at us. He's now shooting at us, live bullets. They have knocked people. They have knocked people. This brutal police of Uganda. This brutal police of Uganda. This brutal police of Uganda. Knocking young people. The people who are peaceful. 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 Nothing much have they done. They are just knocking people and shooting them. They are shooting people. They are shooting people. Don't shoot me, boy. You're mad. Oh God, please bless us. We know this is too tough. We know this is too tough. We know this is too tough. Oh yeah. We know this is too tough. We know this is too tough. We know this is too tough. These guys are knocking innocent people. These guys are knocking innocent people. And they're shooting at us.
Makatamula tumukwate. Genda dukanyo. Duka makatamula.
These people are shooting at us. After knocking people. Innocent 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 people. Shooting innocent people. What have we done? People are innocent and they are
kutabana Uganda we muganda wanga tulaba kuba screenshot
people are innocent.
Muda yambade mask nena oyatusumbua huyo omusajja abadumidde huyo kuba screenshot yoyo omusajja yoyo adumidde kikosi abasajja badumidde wano kutabana Uganda bonna tetumanyi kikigenda mu maaso baganda bange oba tuli mu lutalo tetumanyi oba luno lutalo abasajja bagala kutabana Uganda
because they want to drive on them. Someone drives on someone's spinal cord. This is so brutal, guys. Why should you command people to shoot us? Why should you command people to shoot us? God will protect us. The president is still safe. Oh, no. Nedda asigaddewo naye bamulinya omugongo bagumenyeza simanyi. The president is still safe and we are all safe. The people of Busoga are sending a message. It is now or never. It's now or never. It's now or never. Ugandans are saying change must come. Thank you, whoever is with us in spirit. Thank you, whoever is with us in spirit. Thank you, Baba Eddie Awe. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. The people of Busoga saying, the president is safe. You can see, and he's still going. The people of Uganda. This is Ghetto TV Live. Freedom is coming to Uganda. Freedom is coming to Uganda. The people of Busoga are saying we shall not relent. This must be a bloodless revolution, although police is trying as much as possible to turn into a bloodshed revolution. It is not. Of Mayuge, the people of Busoga are saying it's now or never. It is now or never. This is Uganda. Police is determined to cause violence even when Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu's supporters are peaceful. Look at those people just running peacefully. People are just running peacefully. No one is fighting the other, but police is turning violent against them. Ghetto TV Live. Yes, they are just happy to see their president. You see him waving at them, peaceful and happily, running by foot but not getting tired and not relenting. Running with him peacefully. Look at that love. Look at that love. The revolution is taking its course. This is the Busoga. This is the Busoga. We are headed to Mayuge. We are headed to Mayuge. The revolution is taking its course. You can't imagine. Can you imagine, brothers and sisters? This is Busoga sub-region. They are saying it's now or never. The organizers, the coordinators in this area are Alex Waiso Mufumbiro, Jinja East. We also have Pastor Mwanguzi. We also have Moses Vigirwa. We also have Warukamba. We have very many coordinators who are doing a great job to coordinate, support for the revolution in this region, Eastern region. Under the guidance of the head of the Eastern region, Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe, all those are working under him to make sure the National Unity Platform establishes its visibility in this region. My brother Density also got injuries yesterday, but he's still on carrying the flag. These brothers here carried the president from the vehicle that had been tear gassed and put him in a safer place. We thank you, Father Mbogo. Thank you very much. That's so great. Yes, my sister Margaret Kabari says, nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. Zero TV Live. Thank you for staying tuned. The revolution is taking its course. We are one of the towns on the way to Mayuge. The people of Busoga. The people of Busoga. The people of Busoga. Of Busoga, the people of Busoga are saying we must be part of history.
Revolution is live.
These are the people of Busoga. We are headed to Mayuge. That is Baba Eddie away. You can easily see him. The people of Busoga. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Thank you, Sharon Namuli. You have sent us 2 million on the phone. Thank you, Sharon Namuli, our sister. You have sent us some support. We thank you. We love you, sister. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks to thank all those guys, Sharon Namuri and many others who are supporting us. Thank you. We intend now to buy some new power banks and use the money still for data. Maybe we plan also to get some bulletproof vests so that we can protect ourselves. Whoever can offer those, please get them for us because we are in turbulent situations all the time. Thank you, Sister Sharon Namuri. Thank you, our sister. Daphne will be getting back to you with a message to thank you. To thank everyone that is supporting us. Oh, my sister Trina, favorite snack. You were saying you want to support me personally. My number is 0702 90 28 97. Or you can inbox me on Ashraf Saifullah Senior. Then I can share with you my number personally. It's Kasirie 0702 90 28 97 in my names. Thank you, Trina, favorite snack. Trina favorite snack is saying she wants to support me personally and not as a company. I thank you for that, my sister Trina favorite snack. I am the number is 0702 90 28 97. Also those who want to support us as a company, yes, we continue sending on the number that you have pinned there. Yes, Trina favorite snack. You've said you want to support Ashraf Kasiri as a person. That is my number 0702 90 28 97. Please, thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you haven't gotten it, you can always send a comment here and I see you. But guys, thank you. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you very much, Sharon. Thank you. Thank you, my sister. Favorite snack, Trina. I hope one day I'll see you and say thank you personally. Yeah, this is the revolution taking its course. We are headed to Mayuge district. The old Sachute car, someone is asking, the old Sachute car was knocked down by fellow police vehicles yesterday in Mbale and it was destroyed. Police officers got injured, the ones that are cutting Chagulanyi, but they got another car which is now following them. Thank you very much, guys, that are supporting us. We are headed to Mayuge district. They ran away. Yeah, the police officers who caused the accident ran away, drove off after people wanted to lynch them in the midst of anger, and then they drove off. They are very far in the front, and maybe they're waiting for us there to cause more chaos. We thank God that we are still alive. The security led by Kato is here. They are following us. I will be just answering the questions you're asking here. Oh, my sister Regina, my sister Regina Kakai is saying, presenter, thanks so much for being brave. Thank you very much, my sister. Yes, the president needs a bulletproof, maybe. We all need it. We all need it. Yes, my sister Trina, favorite snack. I thank you. I thank everyone. I thank my sister Winnie Wachagulanyi, Winnie Nambasa. I thank our sister Sharon Namuli. All other guys that are supporting us. Thank you, thank you. Please don't call this number because I am using it. I'll just get back to you later. Yeah, I thank you. I request. This is Ghetto TV Live. The numbers are pinned on our screen. You can see them if you want to support us. The numbers are pinned on our screen. The number is pinned on our on this live. You can see it 0776411543 or 0702 or 0706196642. This is we are headed to Mayuge. And you can see the people are just determined to continue showing love. Yeah, my sister Bettina, you're right. You're right. Wow. Take a look. The people are running by foot. Others are on motorcycles. Others are saying, this is the time we must follow the revolution wherever it goes. And we hope this is going to continue until the election day. It's one love, like my brother here is saying. Thank you, Kato, Van Ashraf, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Oh my God, another town on the way to Mayuge. Another town on the way to Mayuge. It's called Kasugu Town. Kasugu Town, and the people are waiting for their supporter, for their president, the 10th president of the Republic of Uganda. Yeah, my sister Hansgal Mariam, you are saying yesterday I was treated very badly. Not only me, everybody here felt it and faced it rough. But we are all part of this, and we say we are going to continue with the revolution until Uganda achieves that liberation that it yearns for and the change that it needs. We are heading to the rally in Mayuge. We are in Mayuge district. Yes, the people here, look at that mama. We are now in Mayuge district. Oh, my sister, I don't know, but someone Yes, Caesar Nabwire Wanyama has sent me some support, and others are still sending to Daphne. Daphne, we hope you're thanking these people. We are also thanking them for the support, because we all have things to do, especially for this struggle. We need to buy data, we need to buy gadgets, we need to buy new phones. The phones are already deactivated within just 1 week. We hope we shall always be able to get new devices that can help us to go on and on. This is a town called Kisuga in Mayuge district. Oh my God! Can you imagine? People are just ready for change. People are just ready for change. You can't imagine. People are just ready for change. People are just ready for change. My sister Caesar Nabu, for everything you're doing. Oh my God! Look at the love. Look at the love. Look at Mr. Honorable Kunyi Kimuwada. Take a look, take a glimpse on what is happening in Mayuge district. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. You can't believe the revolution is taking its toll. You can't believe whatever is happening down here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Just address.
Banange kati tutuse Mayuge sawa eno abantu basanfino amaina gange nairobozi nizena Kayiza Rita Masa aspiring woman MP Mayuge district. Banange tuli basanfino okutulagwa omukwano guno gwona mwewala ino banange ndikiriza nti kino n'ekiseera abavubuka mwogeire ekimala gavumenti erina okukyuka ebyobukulembeze birina okukyuka Mayuge alina okukyuka kino n'ekiseera tufune Mayuge omuyaka. Banange mutwegayiteku mutwikiririzeemu tukyuse Mayuge ekimala kino n'ekiseera twemerere ekirala abantu boogeire Mayuge mwebale ino mwebalire irala okwemererawo okwaniriza pulezidenti wange Mr. Ngobi Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Banange mwebale ino mwebalire irala wano tuli round about mu pulezidenti atuuse Mayuge tulijja ku district. Mwebale ino mwebalire irala mwebale okutambula nife mwebale obuwagizi mwebale ino nsigaire nga nizana Kayiza Rita Masa aspiring woman MP Mayuge district. Banange akabonero manvuuli nga 14 tujja tulonde Kyagulanyi tujja tulonde ne Kayiza Rita tukyuse Busoga kino ekiseera Busoga airayo kuntwiko mwebale ino banna mutatusoza. Banange mwide mu bungi nga 14 tukyuse Mayuge tukyuse Buna tukyuse Busoga.
The revolution can't be stopped. Oh my God. Mayuge is saying it's now or never. Mayuge is saying, take a those brothers up there. Take a look at those brothers up there. Oh my God. This is Ngobi, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Mayuge. This is Busoga, Mayuge district. Just take a look. Take a look at that. Take a look at this. Take a look at where we're coming from. Take a look at this. look at this. Oh my God. This is the glory of God. It is the glory of God that is making it. That Ugandans. This is the glory of God. Oh my God. You can't imagine. This is the glory of God. Oh my God. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is Mayuge. Sending a message. The Soga is sending a message. Oh, these people are just showing their love. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look at this. This is Mayuge. This is the people of Busoga singing freedom, 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 freedom. The people of Busoga saying it's time for freedom. Freedom is fought for. Freedom is not just achieved. Someone has given the president. I'm using this line, please don't call on it. Send me a message. Mayuge. Mayuge is saying it is now or never. Take a look at this. You can't imagine. You can't imagine. Can you? Busoga is sending a message that the revolution must be now or never. This is unstoppable. This is unstoppable. My goodness. My goodness. We thank those that support us to bring you all these services. We are Ghetto TV. We thank our other sister partner radio stations in this struggle. Chaguranyi TV, Chaguranyi Ame TV, Ekyoto International, Orujuriro, Map Media, all those other televisions, Bobby Diehard. We thank you for keeping in touch and being ready to go on with Ghetto TV so that we serve the revolution. Thank you. The revolution is taking its course. Oh my God. The people are trekking. This is the great trek to Mayuge, the great trek to a Clever State House. And it will be with God's grace. Yeah, the rally was not recorded in 2018. Someone is sarcastically joking. Ghetto TV, thank you for recording the rally from Kampala. No. This is Busoga. This is Mayuge. Bought the umbrella, whatever it is. Bought the umbrella. Pada ka umbrella wakateke huko. Yo. Ghetto TV live. We are in Mayuge. We are in Mayuge. coming very soon. This is Mayuge. This is Busoga sub-region. You can't imagine. The police has now cut off people. They have come and started tear gassing them. This young man wants to start pepper spraying people. Wow, this was overwhelming for them. They have decided to block off very many people from behind, and we've come with a few of them, but still they are saying, we are determined. They have decided to block off very many of the people from behind, but the ones that are still on, even those that have been left behind, have the same spirit. This young man is coming with tear gas canisters. We hope he will not be throwing them into Kyagulanyi's car. This young man you're seeing here, wants to start throwing canisters into the president's vehicle. Wants to start throwing tear gas canisters into the president's vehicle. This young man you're seeing here wants to start throwing canisters into the president's vehicle without any problem. No one is violent here, but these guys want to start causing violence and chaos. We are seeing them. The world is watching. Mrs. Kantinti, I've seen your message, thank you. But please, if you don't understand English, switch to the Luganda version of the broadcast. It is on the page, you can go and look for it and watch that. Thank you. The manvul is there, my sister. The manvul, the umbrella has been raised. Yeah, my sister Kantinti, I can't struggle with English because it isn't my language first of all, but also I know what to say. Yeah, I thank you. Please, there is another live broadcast which is in Uganda on the other end of the front view of this event here. Please just go and switch to that one and watch that one, because this one is meant for those who don't understand Luganda. Thank you. The umbrella is there, sisters and brothers. The umbrella has been raised and the people are being told what to do on the day of the elections. This is Mayuge district. Busoga has for long been known to be NRM stronghold region, but this time now the revolution is taking a change in the course, and the status quo might change in the 2021 election, when we shall see MPs from the red camp, from the National Unity Platform, taking seats in parliament. So take a look at this mama, yes, such an old woman, showing love to the president, showing love to the president. Wow. He has greeted her and she is so happy. Now we are taking to the rally where Kyagulanyi will be addressing these people and telling them what they have to do on the 14th of January, but also telling them about the deeper meaning of this election. It is not about the political power, but a revolution to fundamentally change the status quo, 34-year-old status quo of this country. Thank you. Very many people of Mayuge have sent a message that we are part of this revolution and we must change everything for the better of all Ugandans. The share of the national cake must be divided equally across all regions in the country. The share of the national jobs, all the job opportunities should be there on merit but not on nepotism and tribalism. You must take a look and know the love, the unconditional love these people are showing to their candidate, their president, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. It was a time like this when South Africa was fighting to liberate itself. It was a time like this when Sudan was fighting to liberate itself. It was a time like this when Libya was fighting to liberate itself. It was a time like this when Malawi, Zimbabwe, Egypt, Tunisia, all of them fought to liberate themselves. Uganda is starting now. Wow, 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 wow. Take a look at that great trek. Yeah, father has waved to the old lady. He has waved to the old lady and she was so happy. The revolution is unstoppable. The momentum of this civil rights and economic rights in Uganda is taking its course. Thank you, Jordi Chigos, my brother. Thank you. Yes, we try to be brave, but also bullets and tear gas canisters can sometimes take you off the rail. And of course, everyone can be scared, but we are in this together. Kyagulanyi said, no relenting, no dying before Uganda is liberated. Thank you. Whoever is thanking us, please thank you. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, my sister Anna Deta Hezia, for telling my sister there that there is Ghetto TV 2, which has Luganda version. This one is for English and those who don't understand Luganda but can understand English. Look at this, the love these people are showing. Yes, Anna Delta Hezekiah, thank you. People are thanking us. Thank you for thanking us, but also we thank you for supporting us. We thank you for supporting us. Thank you, our brothers and sisters in Kenya who are standing with us in solidarity. They are saying we should also have the English version on because Luganda is not an international language like English. But those who understand Luganda, we have Ghetto TV 2 in the front view of this trail, and I'm also coming from the back view of the trail. Someone is saying, why don't I hold two phones? My sister, it's very hard to use both hands in the coverage. You don't know the situation we are working in. One hand has to hold me somewhere, and also and also the other hand holds the system. President is phone. Just know whenever the president is not live, Ghetto TV is representing him alongside all other televisions, online and mainstream. So please try to be more understanding on that. And the people of Mayuge are saying, the people of Mayuge are saying, it must be now or never. Must be now or never. This is Mayuge. We are headed to the rally venue. Thank you very much, guys, for being on, and thank you for following Ghetto TV Live. The young man who was knocked, we left him in a very critical condition. We hope he'll get better, but it was so tough. The vehicle rode all its 4 tires on him, and it went from the start to the end. Yeah, the people managed to follow through. Very many vehicles, and people have been blocked in behind. But we hope they'll be joining us very soon. It's going for the first rally in Mayuge, but police officers managed to run away after committing that heinous crime. We are in Busoga. We are in Busoga, and the people are saying it's now or never. We are in Busoga, headed for the first rally in Mayuge district. Shall go to Iganga and also go to Bojeri. Mayuge district is saying the change must come. You see those trucks carrying sugar canes. The people of this area were forced to grow sugar canes, and they are keeping them in poverty because the sugar canes can't even support their well-being of day-to-day, but also can't support them economically because the factories and plantations are owned by foreigners who don't mind the welfare of Ugandans. And now the people of Busoga are saying they want their land back so they can grow food and cash crops that can be easily sold on the market to have a better living. The young people are saying it's now or never. Busoga is challenging. Busoga is challenging. Soja. Oh, my brother. My brother. My brother, my sister, whoever is thanking us. I can't read all the comments, but I'm seeing some of them. You are appreciating, although others are just giving comments, and also others are advising. We appreciate everything. The advice, the support, and also we are sorry for whatever glitches make their way into this live broadcast and are not well defined. want to show you the patrol that knocked someone.
Kanetwork akacyankalanye mune kagenda kukomawo mangu nnyo.
When we were coming, yes, those numbers are in the names of Daphne Chakunzire. Someone is calling on my line. This is Bojere, a person whom we left behind there in a dire situation. The people are so peaceful. The people are so peaceful. I would like to thank my sister wherever you are. Oh God. We are heading to the rally venue. To the rally venue, the people are trekking from all angles. The people are trekking from all angles. We thank you, our brothers and sisters in Oman. We thank you, our brothers and sisters in the Middle East. We thank you, our brothers and sisters in UAE, in UK. No, it's not about cleaning the camera. The light right now is not so good, but also we have entered areas where network is not so good. So bear with us. When we get back to those areas that are well connected to the grid, you will be getting a clear picture like the one you've been getting. There's no dust on the camera because it rained this way, so there's no dust. However, the light is not so good, and also the weather is not giving us the best light. Thank you. We'll be always answering you and giving you responses for the things that you send us. Please don't attack, just question and see.
Banange wendi nnyo wano nange ndi mukola ki ndi mukufolwenga kigenda mu maaso. Wendi kyansuseeko abantu bayitirivu nga nammwe mubalaba nti mbadde nsoma mu comments nga baga JB ng'osirise nnyo. No, buli kimu kirikiriya we tuli nnyo wali nammwe mubiraba. Omukulembeze yasazeeko dda wadde poliisi ezoganyizaamu waliwo omwana waffe gwekoonyi olabye nga bakuba teargas bakuba amasasi live bullets mpuliddeko awo nga bagamba teargas asajja baweddeko kogbo kabakube live bullets mbantu. Mulabye obakoonye owa boda ne bakoona n'omwana emmotoka emuyiseeko ku mugongo gwe guti spinal cord eyinza n'okuba emenyese. Naye ng'ebyo byonna bakola byampunanze kankubuulire gusoko otunulire sini eyo sokola abantu eri waggulu yonna baagala ki just kulaba ku mukulembeze wabaddako Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert era abaana mu bagambe ndi akabonero manvuuli okitegeera naye nga wendi wano nange ngoberera kyansuseeko nange nga akansooka ensirike waawo anti omulengera nze kasitambulanga nga musanyufu nze manya nange mbeerayo nga ndi musanyufu kitegeera sooka omulaika Simayiro yoyo mukulembeze amannya ge Kyagulanyi tulindire bagenda mutuuma ebugiri anti buli gyagenda bamutuuma eri bamutumye era kunani ekumi bamutumye era kunani amuliya kati twebereremu wali wonna nga bwe nakugambye nti tubeera live ku channel zaffe 2 wano ku Sitabeera live ate tuyinayo JB Mwonge 2 era nga naye ebeera live eyo tetera kuvaako from morning up to evening eyo njiteekako data walunaku lulamba tevaako era wano biyinza okuvaako naye eri tevaako era link yiyo njikutereddewo abagala okugendayo side eri naye wogendayo teweerabira ku subscribing noteekako ne notification button oleme kusubwa katuddeyo ate eri ku sounds.
We are headed to Mayuge. We are headed to Mayuge. We are headed to Mayuge. The rally venue is just in our sight, and you'll soon be saying the rally venue. where where the president is going to be addressing people. This is our sister. This is our sister, the candidate for Mayogde Woman MP, carrying the national unity flag. The umbrella is the symbol. The umbrella is the symbol. The umbrella is the symbol. Watch the umbrella wherever you see. You might be knowing someone, but they are not about the revolution. Please leave them and go to the symbol. Ignore the face. Go to the symbol, which is the umbrella. That is the issue. This is Busoga sub-region. Hamrada Princess is saying, Ashraf, you need a bottle of water. You can buy it for me. You can buy it for me. However, we are determined to do our work. This is a service. This is not a business. It is a service with board offer. That's why you also support us without any stepping back, because you know we are not doing a job that earns us millions and billions of money, but we are doing a service that the entire world needs, so that Uganda can one day be free, and that is the next year. Yes, Richard Wilson, you're saying we are the country, we are the future, and the future is today. Yes, we are. All of us, the young people, we are the country, we are the future, and the future is today. Oh my God, these guys are donating a chick, a coke to Honorable Chakurai Sentamu. They are donating a coke. My sister. This is Mark Mugera. Mark Mugera. My personal number, Mark Mugera, is 0702 90 28 97. Yes, Mark Mugera, you've asked for my personal number. It is 0702 90 28 97. Mark Mugera, you asked for my personal number, 0702902897, but those numbers there that you have pinned are the company numbers that we are using to collect any support that you would like to give us. We are so happy that you guys are supporting us. Thank you very much. This is Mayuge district. This is Busoga. This is Mayuge district. This is Busoga. This is Busoga. I hope you can see the people here at Mayuge district. Thank you very much, guys. This is Mayuge district. This is Mayuge district. This is Mayuge district. This is Mayuge district. The road is too bad, I can't stand, but you can see. Oh God, this is unbelievable. Take a look at that. You are on Ghetto TV live. This is unbelievable. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. The people of Busoga filled an entire stadium. Can you imagine? This is unbelievable. Tens of thousands of people were blocked from reaching here. Nonetheless, you can see the people fill this stadium. This is Uganda. Uganda is saying we want change. The change must come now. Take a look at that. Take a look at that, my brothers and sisters. You can't imagine. Oh my God. Ugandans have spoken. Oh, don't throw stuff. No. Don't throw. This is Mayuge. This is Mayuge. This is Mayuge. Oh my God, the president wants to become in Saudi Arabia before he becomes president. Just be patient, and if you can come back and vote, please come. Wow. The momentum of the revolution is just taking to its peak. Wow. You can't imagine. Oh my God. Can you imagine? Even Chagulanyi himself can't understand the support he's getting. Oh my God. Wow. Whatever he does, give it to someone to raise it. Oh my God. This is Mayuge. Mayuge is breaking a record. They are saying, we are all for you. These are not hooligans. These are Ugandans tired. Ghetto TV Live. The Soga.
Kino nze sikyalina control yakyo. Mwe mutunule butunuzi wentunuza kamera.
God, take a look at this. 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 Oh my God. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Chagulanyi himself can't understand what is going on. Chagulanyi himself can't understand what is going on.